how you can add phone number on tweets on iPhone. So first thing first, let's open the tweets app, and once you open it, you will be able to see the interface shown in the screen. So now you can see there is profile option at the bottom right corner of this homepage. So just tap on that profile icon, and once you tap on it, you can see there is settings option at the top left corner of this profile page. So you need to tap on settings icon, and once you tap on it, finally you will be able to see just down below of this content preference there is security and privacy. So just select the security and privacy afterward, and finally at the fourth option there is phone and the add a phone number option in here. So just tap on that option, and afterward you need to enter your phone number, and finally tap on next. And once you verify yourself, you will be able to add your phone number onto his app successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to add phone number onto his apps. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.